and today we're going to talk about how you can get a better glute bridge in just 30 seconds. Okay, so you have to start on your back on the floor. Oftentimes we wind up with our feet too far away, so really making sure that the shin angle is straight up and down. Using your thumb on your rib cage and your fingers on your hip bone, you're going to exhale, tighten that deep TA, create your brace. Make sure the distance between your thumb and fingertips does not change as you lift. Knees, hips, and toes should all be in a line, so your feet are not turned out, not turned in. You're not letting the knees collapse out or collapse in, okay? With that good brace, everything lifts as a unit, almost like you're pivoting off your shoulders versus curling the butt and rounding at your hips, okay? Then at the top, make sure you're not over thrusting. You want to come just until shoulders, hips, and knees are all in a nice straight line, squeezing the glutes, making sure you control it on the way down, you're not just flopping, and then just a light tap at the bottom before you rise again, so that you never fully relax and let go at the bottom. Give those tips and tricks a try, and in just 30 seconds, you'll have a better glute bridge and feel more of those glutes working to help you. Let me know how it goes, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5.